And we're back to learning Illustrator in here, day 194. And let me show the crop marks effect. And we're going to create two rectangles right away. To compare it afterwards, I select the left one and then we go to Effect first. And simply left click on crop marks, so it's a one-click effect. And I've got a second one on the right hand side is selected to add trim marks. So that's under Object. Looks the same, but it's actually different. So on the left we had the effect crop marks. And if I adjust the rectangle now, you can see the crop marks are adjusted accordingly, even when I rotate it. So it's a, let's say, a dynamic effect, a live effect. And that's not true right here for the trim marks on the right hand side. If I resize my rectangle here, that doesn't work. But here in this case, the trim marks, you can adjust them as an isolated object. So you can rotate them or resize them individually and detach from your rectangle. And that's the difference between the two. So use the crop marks when you know that your element needs to be adjusted afterwards. And use right here the trim marks on the right hand side when you're already done designing your stuff and you just need the marks afterwards. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.